What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. And I'm doing a ride along with you already know with this here. This is Sceptre Malachite from Maison Alhambra. Man, and this is supposed to be a clone of God of Fire. And I'm just going to go ahead and get ready for this. Full disclosure, it's late right now, but I'm just going to still do the ride along. But full disclosure, I actually put this on earlier today, this morning, and I went out and I was doing my things, whatever, and then I worked out and I came back and I took a shower. This was maybe about 5 hours, and the fragrance was still on me. So I was like, I gotta go out and do some other things. So I was like, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna do a ride along with this to see how long this really lasts. So this is really the second part of me wearing this for this ride along. That's way too much information, but you know how I do. I like to give out extra information. So sprays there. This fragrance is really strong too, especially in the opening. It comes off really strong. So there we go. That's it. And like I said, it is late right now. It is 4:17. 4:17, and the weather right now, it was warmer earlier today, but I think it's cooled off a little bit. Right now it's saying that it's 77 degrees. Is that correct? Yeah, 77 degrees. I think it was like maybe 80 degrees earlier today. So yeah. All right. 4 o'clock, what is it? 4:12. 4:12, somewhere in there. All right. So let's do this ride along. I want to see how this is going to last because I'm going to be up for a few more hours. So roll with me. All right, folks, I'm doing a little update here in the garage, but fragrance is mild out a little bit. It's not as strong. I would say for that first hour, it was jumping off my skin a lot. But right now, it's kind of smoothed out a little bit and it smells good. I actually like it better after the first initial spray. So right now, it is 6:14. So it's a little bit about 2 hours later, and it is still 80 degrees. So keep rolling with me, check it out. All right, folks, I am back in. I'm doing a little checkup, and it's fragrance is fading a little bit, which is kind of weird because earlier when I had it on, I guess it was warmer also. It's gotten a little bit cooler now, but it's fading a little bit. But when I had it on earlier, it was jumping off my skin. So maybe once I move around and heat up a little bit, it might come back a little bit. Oh, and right now it is 7:55, and it is saying it's 78 degrees, but it feels cooler than that. And we got a little breeze going on. And as you see that, you know, we were running around, hanging out a little bit, but we're still hanging out. So I guess I'll give you another check-in in a little bit. All right. I am ready to wrap this up. Fragrance did really well, especially for a fresh fragrance. It lasted. Right now it is 11:27, and it's dropped down to 65 degrees, but it doesn't matter because I'm inside the house. But fragrance lasted, I would say, the first couple hours, 2 or 3 hours, it was really good. Right now it's a skin scent. It's really light. It's not projecting too much, but it's still on my skin. So Malachite, Sceptre, my man, Maison Alhambra, good stuff. So let's jump right into the notes. The notes, and that's another thing. When it started off, it was really sharp. It's like really sharp. The apple note. Let's go into the notes. Top notes are green, tangerine, bergamot, and black currant. And I get like a sharp apple note in the top, and maybe like a citrus, not necessarily bergamot, but maybe it is bergamot. And then in the middle notes, we have aromatic notes, spicy notes, lavender, pink pepper, and jasmine. And then in the base notes, there is amber, musk, woodsy notes, and vetiver. And those base notes are what I have right now. It's just like a light musk kind of and kind of sweet, and it kind of gives off kind of like an airy kind of vibe too. But yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did because of when I first got it. When I first smelled it, I was like, oh, okay, but it seemed like it was a little sharp. It's just that the opening is a little sharp for me. It's like I need to let it spray. I need to spray it on and then let it mellow out for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's good. So yeah, I think it's a good fragrance. If you can pick up you might not be able to pick up a sample because it's kind of hard to get samples of these clone fragrances, but I would say it's a good pickup if you're interested in that kind of fragrance. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me doing a ride along with Sceptre. This is a good one. I may have to try out some of the other God of Fire clones also. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.